2025 GMC Savana Limo takes the proven Savana van platform and transforms it into a full-size luxury limousine aimed at corporate fleets, VIP transport, and high-end private buyers who need space, comfort, and presence. On the outside, it keeps the familiar boxy Savana shape, but adds a stretched wheelbase, extended rear cabin, privacy-tinted windows, and a smooth body color finish for a clean, upscale look. Chrome accents, custom grille options, LED lighting, and premium multi-spoke alloy wheels help it stand out as a purpose-built executive vehicle, rather than a standard commercial van. Inside, the driver's area remains functional and familiar, with updated infotainment, comfortable seating, and modern GMC safety features. But the main cabin behind the privacy partition is completely transformed. High-grade leather seating, either opposing sofas or individual power captain's chairs, thick carpeting, and soft ambient LED lighting create a rolling lounge environment. Depending on the conversion, you'll typically find power reclining chairs with footrests, fold-out tables for laptops or meetings, a large smart TV or dual screens with HDMI and streaming support, a premium surround sound audio system, a built-in cooler or mini fridge, and custom cabinetry for glasses and accessories. The front receives a modern touchscreen system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and often navigation, while the rear cabin is loaded with USB-C ports, 110V/230V outlets, and sometimes wireless charging pads so passengers can work or relax without worrying about battery life. Under the hood, the 2025 Savana Limo usually uses the same robust powertrains as the standard Savana, most commonly a V8 petrol or strong V6/V8 option, depending on market and fleet requirements. These engines are chosen for durability and smooth torque, ideal for moving a stretched, fully loaded vehicle, with a smooth automatic transmission driving the rear wheels and tuned for quiet, relaxed cruising rather than performance. On the road, the focus is comfort and isolation. Conversion builders typically add upgraded suspension components, extra sound deadening, and refined interior trim to keep road and engine noise low, making it well-suited for airport transfers, corporate runs, events, or long-distance chauffeured trips. Safety is brought up to modern expectations, with features such as forward collision warning, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, stability control, multiple airbags, and a high-quality rear-view or 360-degree camera system to help maneuver the extended body. Practicality remains a key strength, with a large rear cargo or dedicated luggage section ideal for multiple suitcases or event gear, and wide side and rear access to simplify entry and exit. Pricing varies widely based on conversion level and options, but a 2025 GMC Savana Limo will typically land in the $110,000 to $170,000 plus range once the stretch and luxury build-out are complete. For operators, the value lies in durability, ease of service, and a cabin that can command premium rates in corporate and VIP transport. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Grav on Cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury, limo, and executive vehicle reviews. Tell me in the comments, would you configure a Savana Limo more for business use with office-style seating or for pure comfort with a lounge-style setup? Thanks for watching Grav on Cars. Drive safe, arrive in style, and keep moving forward.